Okay, so to single crochet in the back loop only, we're going to turn our work and look at our V-stitch of our next stitch, and we want to catch the loop that is furthest away from us, or our back loop. So I insert my hook at a 45-degree angle, I yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops. Again, insert your hook right through the center of your V and only catch that back loop, pull up your loop, yarn over and pull through both. So at a regular speed, this is what it's going to look like. Again, insert your hook, catch that back loop. I do the 45-degree to catch it nice and easy. Pull up your loop and pull through both loops. So that is the super fast single crochet in the back loop only refresher. If you need to actually learn this stitch much slower, I have a video. Just check out single crochet for back loop only. And thank you for watching.